Okay, the last limit problems we are going to do involve fractions. So I just want to kind of review a few things with fractions. If I look here and I had to, let's say, simplify something that had a 1/5 plus a 1 over x in it. I'll be honest, many people do not care for fractions. So one thing you might want to just keep in the back of your mind is that if you ever multiply by what's in the denominator, it clears the fraction. So if you're able to somehow in the problem, if I look at the denominators here, I have a 5 and an x on the bottom. If I multiply those fractions by those denominators, which are a 5 and an x, now you would have to distribute that 5x to each one. Let me show all that work so you can see it. 1 over 5 times 5x plus 1 over x times 5x. You'll notice that the 5's cross out. I'm just left with 1 times x. These x's cross out. I'm just left with 1 times 5, which is 5. So if you ever come into a situation where you have denominators that you're like, I don't want to work with fractions, and you can multiply by what's in the denominator somehow legally, it clears out your fraction. So that's something to keep in mind. I'm going to end this video with that thought.